Hi guys, this is Talia. Thanks for tuning in to my channel. If this is your first time, if this is your first time listening or tuning in, please subscribe to my channel because I need and want everybody to get some of these messages. And this channel is dedicated to making your life more fabulous, making yourself more sane, and honestly making yourself more money. It's all in the really in my voice, which is a mompreneur, my life after wife, and just really how I do it. And it's taken me a while, so I figured, hey, if I can give some of these tips to people and help them get along faster, then by all means. So anyway, take a minute and subscribe. Before we get started, thank you. So this is like honestly a video that I wish I would have had 5 years ago. And this is the anniversary of my divorce. It's 5 years. And I just want to put this message out to people who may be thinking about anything that I'm about to talk about. So, fortunately or unfortunately, infidelity happens, and you're never going to feel good about accepting someone who has cheated on you. If you are listening to this voice, if you're listening to this message right now and you're trying to decide if you should forgive or not, the answer is no. The answer is just no. It is a no. And I just wanted to share that, guys, with you guys, that if you are really thinking about, well, what is my life going to look like after this? Can I make it? Do I have life after wife? Yes, you do. Actually, you do. And you may have, quite honestly, a more amazing life. There's a really good chance you're going to have a more amazing life. And so this message is, what do you do? What is your life after wife? Is there a life after wife? And the answer is yes. Do not accept a cheating man. I don't care how successful he is. I don't care how much money he has. I don't care if he dribbles a basketball. I don't care if he flies you everywhere. Do not accept a cheating man. Ever, ever, ever. It has gotten out of control, ladies. It has gotten out of control. And if the side chicks are winning, let them have them. Do not accept a cheating man. You will find a man who does not cheat on you, and it may take a while before this whole phenomenon catches up, but eventually men are going to be tired of their options with women who will accept them doing anything that they want. If you are laying on a couch right now, crying in a book right now, eating ice cream, watching Love, Pray, what is it? Love, Eat, Pray? Pray, Eat, Love? I can't remember. If you're doing any of that right now, you will be fine. Subscribe to this channel. Tell him, block him, sit on your phone, sit on your hands, whatever you need to do. Go out with 18 girlfriends, new boyfriends, whatever you need to do. And the answer is no. Never accept a cheating man. Life after wife is amazing, and I just want you guys to know that. Thanks for tuning in. Bye-bye.